was just sitting here thinking about home. It really is the best place in the world, honestly. Wherever I go, I just think about, I can't wait until I get back home. Like home, like as in the house, the home. It really is my favorite place in the whole world. And what I mean, like, I don't want to get back to my regular life, to my like Monday through Friday job or anything. I'm talking about getting back into my little tiny world, my little tiny place on the planet. Definitely a homebody. Definitely a homebody. Are you a homebody? Are you my homebodies? Are you my homie bodies? Are you my homebodies? Homebodies. We're homebodies. I'm a homebody. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think that's actually, you know, I think we're all kind of embracing that. It's not that I'm antisocial. I just really like being in my own environment. I like being around my things. I like being in a place where I could just take a nap if I wanted to, although I never take a nap. I'm really bad about that. Sometimes I really need a nap, but I just don't take one. So I probably have too much coffee. Yes. Have you noticed these beautiful paper shades behind me? Yeah. So I'm in kind of an office, not my office. My home office would look a lot different than this. In fact, I'm actually designing my home office right now as we speak. I'm designing my whole house, actually. Let me just tell you. Excuse me. I'm going through a design certification. I am a professional woman. I have a professional job, although this office setup would not really, I don't think really communicates that. These shades are kind of an afterthought. The windows are actually really huge. Actually, let me show you this at risk of not being able to put this camera back on the computer screen. That's my easel, or tripod, not easel. So I have this really great view out of these enormous windows. And because those windows, whoops, that was the chair, that wasn't me flirting. There's just a lot I really want to do in my life. What was my whole point? I don't even remember anymore. The light is insane. So I asked one of the guys if he could just like put up a temporary shade. So that's what this is. One temporary shade. The other one actually fell down. I've always been interested in interior design. I've always loved decorating my home, like kind of styling my home. But I wanted to get the interior design certification because I am wanting to actually really design. Like I want to speak in the language that the general contractor speaks in and the architect. So meaning I want to be able to create floor plans. I want to be able to like to scale and renderings to scale. So I'm doing this certification because I want to learn hand renderings, hand floor plans, but also AutoCAD and SketchUp. So there's a lot to learn. Try not to get overwhelmed. I've always been kind of like many things on the to-do list kind of person. There's so many things going through my head as I try to communicate this to you. Really, if I'm being honest, I do love creating an environment. And so that is why I'm really excited about this design certification, because I love stuff. Like I love home stuff. I love lamps, pillows, tables, furniture. My mother was into interior design. My dad makes furniture. He still does. He works with decorators. You know, I got an art degree. I feel like my life kind of has always been about this. So now I'm finally doing something with it. Whoops, I don't know what I did. Kind of like recording this, looking in this mirror. Over here. This is not my home. This is a model home. A home that is beautifully decorated, that no one lives in, but I like to come down here sometimes just to see the design and just to experience it. What was that? I think I'm alone. And just, yeah, just feel like I'm not in that office up there, because that is not very pretty looking, but this is pretty. And yeah, I don't know, homebody. Are you a homebody? You know, I think we should unite. Homebodies unite. Like, all these people that get to work from home, man, I am truly envious of them. I mean, that's kind of like the dream. That is the dream. That was the dream before COVID for me, and it still is the dream. I want to work from my own home, my own home office. That's the dream. I wonder if people feel lucky when they get to work from home. Like, do you guys realize like how lucky you are that you get to work from home? I mean, I don't know. I can see the downfall, because I know me, and I probably like never do my hair, and I wouldn't wear makeup and stuff like that. Not like that is like the worst thing in the world, but I just know how I am. Sometimes I like to just sit here, listen to the sounds of the city. It's kind of quiet inside here. It leaves me plenty of time to think about all the things I want to do. If you like this kind of stuff, like design, and you kind of want to learn along with me, I'm happy to kind of share my journey. I mean, I'm not a teacher. I'm not going to be teaching you how to do things, although I may share some of the tips that I learned, like, yeah, for sure, like layout and color choices and all that kind of fun stuff. And we could certainly go to some of the showrooms and see like all of the vendors, and look at stone, and look at fabric, and look at furniture and lighting, and, you know, all those things that get me excited. Do they get you excited? I mean, I don't know. Like I said, anything related to home, I get very excited about. How about a different angle? It's kind of a weird angle. It's kind of like I'm showing my butt off kind of angle. Look at that view. Well, that's cool. I like that view. It puts my face like in a shadow, but that's a nice view, right? Oh, that's a great view. Hello. Oh my God, I just realized that this coffee table in this model home is very similar to the coffee table that my husband and I bought. I mean, it's not exactly, but maybe subconsciously I saw this table and I was like, ooh, I like this table. Now I need to go and make this table come into my reality. Now I need to manifest a table like this in my life. Let me show you this table. And I'm gonna show you, here's my table here. This came from BR Home. So if you don't know about BR Home, Banana Republic has their own furniture line. And I don't know about in other cities, but in New York City, they have two kind of showrooms. So they basically have converted their stores to incorporate more of their new furniture line, their new home line. So I've taken a tour of that. I'll share some video of that with you all on this channel. Anyway, I'm talking too much about stuff. Let me flip this around so you can see this table. I can't believe I totally must have subconsciously manifested this into my life or something. So I'm like sitting here talking to you all, and I look at this room. First of all, there's some things about it I don't love, but then there's some things about it that I do love. I think it's like certain individual pieces I love. Like, I love that chair. These two chairs I freaking love. I am way too tall for these chairs though. I posted like a short of me getting in and out of these chairs, and it is ridiculous. So not chairs I can have in my life, but look, this is the coffee table I was referring to. So let me get up and show you this. Oops. So let me show you this table. I don't know, what is this? This is like a lacquer. Yeah, this is like a lacquer, so it's really shiny. Mine is solid marble, but I bet this table is just as heavy. Look at this thing. This is a little different than mine, but still same concept. And it's probably maybe not quite as big, or maybe it is as big. But I think I created that. Like, I must have admired this and brought it into my life somehow. Too much manifestation stuff? I don't care. I don't care, because that's how I am. That's who I am. I cannot deny the effect of your environment on what you're creating in your life. It is undeniable. And I think that's why I am such a homebody, because I need to be in an environment that supports what I'm creating in my life. And when I'm in other environments that aesthetically make me feel like depressed, or I feel confined, or I just feel uninspired, then it's hard for me. Like it really is hard for me to be in those environments. Whoops, where am I going here? This way. Because they're just not in alignment with where I want to be. Like I'm like literally twisting my body all the way around. This works though. This works. This is the okay angle. I think it's good natural light. But is that better? Is that better? It's nice. It's like comfy. It's like, let's get intimate and cozy here. Anyway, I know you all, that's not a very flattering giggle though. I know that you all must have an understanding of your environment and what kind of effect it has on you, and how it affects your ability to manifest like greatness into your life, how to up-level your life, how to become that person you are aspiring to be, and how your home environment, like how your environment just in general, and that could be your home, people, etc., like what you watch, what you tune into, all of that. Sorry, I have the sniffles, but you know that affects it. So make your home base a place that supports you. I need to turn on some lights in this place. It's gonna get even darker. Ooh, that's really dark. You can't, oh, where's the handle? Oh, wrong side. Here we go. All right. Back from Sweet Green. Just had my salad. Hopefully I don't have any kale stuck in my teeth, so I'm trying to talk to you all. So back to work, and I enjoyed sharing my little break with you all and my fellow homebodies, people who love their home and love being at home. Ooh, that's it. We are the homebodies. The homebodies. I like that. I don't know why I have to do this when I do that. The homebodies, like, doesn't need air quotation marks. But that's it, guys. That's kind of me. That's kind of what I'm doing here. Hopefully this kind of inspired you. I would like to think it didn't bore you to death, because God, am I that boring? I don't know. But maybe once I edit it and throw in a little music and a little extra videos of things, this will be a little more exciting. And my hair is a little crazy today. All right, thank you for being here. Let's do this again. If you kind of are vibing with this, please subscribe, please like it, and please comment. Like if anything that I said to you today stirred up some thoughts or opinions, please share. This is kind of the about video, I suppose. About video. The about video. Welcome. Yeah, I can't be like that. So let's do this again. Let's do this. Whoa, camera. I think I have the cameras for it. I can up this video recording game. I just decided to record something on the fly. Whoa. Okay, I think that's the sign from the universe. It's time to end this thing. Until next week. My poor little finger. Sending you so much love from New York. Mwah. Ooh, grazie, gracias, baby.